The Cotswolds, our green and pleasant home. A place for fun on the water as much as it is on land. We've got pubs, castles and even a palace, some quite cosy, some quite grand. And we're excited to share this place with you, our friends new and old. From near, far and wide, there are tales to be told. Because these are storied hills. Tolkien, Carroll, Austen and Lee all came here to write and be free. But you're our guests now, and we urge you to walk, ride, dance and play for a week, a night or maybe just a day. However you visit though, visit gently. Travel lightly and wander wisely. Leave only your footprint or maybe your paw. The Cotswolds are calling, but let their beauty endure.